The Lion's Ledger, Healthcare Edition. Please like, comment, and subscribe.
We will continue to innovate, put new products out there that matter, that help to build the business, and that means penetrating and delivering MIS, minimally invasive surgery, around the world. First world countries, third world countries, making it available to everyone.
Stock A is Intuitive Surgical, ticker ISRG. It's down 30% this year. RSI at 27, extreme oversold. But Q2 earnings just came out. EPS beat by 16%. Revenue up 19% year over year. Procedures growing globally. They make the Da Vinci surgical robot, near monopoly. Hospitals that buy it don't switch, and every surgery generates recurring revenue for life. The stock looks broken, the business doesn't. That gap between what the chart says and what the receipts say, that's the setup.
The future of medicine isn't just about finding new treatments. It's actually about changing how we find them. We need to find better medicines faster for more people that are waiting.
At Recursion, we created a new kind of drug discovery and development platform from the ground up. One with technology at the core and patients at the heart.
Stock B is Recursion Pharmaceuticals, ticker RXRX. Pre-profit, trading at $3 to $4, near its 52-week low. The bet, AI changes how drugs get discovered. Recursion uses machine learning to screen billions of biological interactions and find drug candidates faster than any lab can. 5 of their 7 pipeline drugs hit major inflection points in the next 12 to 18 months. They have $654 million in cash, runway into 2028. If one program reaches late-stage trials with clean data, this stock gets repriced. If it doesn't, you waited a long time to find out. The stock looks broken, the business doesn't. That gap between what the chart says and what the receipts say, that's the setup. Higher reward usually means higher risk. Which company would you choose and why?